Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to change your email address in the Etsy app. Whether you are updating to a new email or just need to fix a typo, this step-by-step guide will help you make the change quickly and easily. Let's dive in. Before we begin, we must tell you that changing your email address is not possible on the Etsy app. It must be changed on their official website. So open your browser and in the search field type Etsy and click to search. By opening a new page at the very beginning in the upper right corner of the screen, look for your profile, which you will click on. By clicking on your profile, a small window will open where you will look for the account settings option and click on it. The app will open the next page where you will go down to the option, Email in the drop-down menu. Here we will explain how to change your email. As you can see here, you can see your current email and of course confirmation that it is real. In the field where it asks for a new email, you will enter it and then confirm that same email and enter a new password. But be careful in the field for entering the password you need to enter the password for the Etsy application. When you are done with all this, just click on Change Email. And that's it. Your email address is now updated in the Etsy application. Don't forget to verify the new email within the time frame specified in the email to make sure the change is complete. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.